Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. Got a little welding project to do after a while, but I just got a care package in the mail today from Benchmark Abrasives. They make all kinds of stuff like flap discs, cut-off wheels, sanding discs, anything like that. Let's get it unboxed and see what all we got, because I guarantee you I'll probably be able to use some of these when I work on my welding project. Alright, well let's get this opened up and see what we got. I heard about this company from a YouTube friend of mine named Rex. He's got a channel called Rex Works Outdoors. I'll put a link to his channel down below. Rex is a good guy, and just starting the channel not long ago. We do a lot of the same things. He's got a mini skid steer and some attachments, and starting him a little cleanup business. But I'll put a link to his channel. Well, I got a t-shirt. Always good to have a t-shirt that says "Sparks Will Fly, Benchmark Abrasives." That's pretty cool. Looks like we got a grinder hood, little PPE protection, some behind the head earmuffs, an extra face shield for the grinder hood, a particulate filter, and a respirator. Keep down on that grinding dust whenever you're grinding. So this is their PPE kit, personal protective equipment kit, and it should come in handy whenever I'm doing some grinding. Let's get these opened up and we'll check them out. How about that? That works pretty good. Behind the head instead of over the top. Very similar adjustments to a welding helmet. How about that? That'll keep them sparks out of your eyes. Kind of reminds me of back in the day when I was a boat dealer. I partnered with a company called Fish Heads. Had a mask like this that you'd put on whenever you were running your boat early in the mornings. Didn't have to wear your sunglasses. Too dark to wear your sunglasses. Keep the wind and everything off of you. Looks like there's an extra face shield for the mask. And then we've got a respirator. Let's take a look at that. Any of y'all ever use cut-off wheels and grinding discs? You know it makes a lot of dust. Smells really bad. We'll take the respirator out of the package, but we're not going to open up the filters just yet. So there's the respirator. Put it on and adjust it. That'll come in handy. I'm not going to open the filters right now, but I do appreciate Victor over at Benchmark Abrasives sending me these. So if you're watching, Victor, thank you. I'll put them to good use. I'm looking forward to trying out those abrasive wheels whenever they come. Well, all right, everybody. It's been a few days since I originally started this video, and I finally got their little care package with the grinder disc in it. Let's get them open up and let's see what we got here. This is called a Density Cut Grind and Finished Mix Pack. Let's see what we got. Got a little sticker from Benchmark. Got some good looking flap disc. One of my favorite tools to use, not only for grinding metal, but I built a log home, and these flap discs work great for shaping logs and shaping my log staircase and my log railings. Looks like a quality disc. You can see it. They're pretty thick. Got lots of abrasive on the back. So there's 4 of those. They're 60 grit. Let's see what else we got here. Got 280 grit. We got some cutoff wheels here. Looks like in this pack there's 4 of the thinner cutoff wheels. All these are 4.5 inch. And then I've got a, let's see what these are. This is a Type 27, 4 of those. Here's a Type 1 for metal and stainless steel. Got 4 of those. Got a Type 27 grinding wheel, nice and thick. And another Type 27 grinding wheel. 2 of them. Got a little sticker, Benchmark Abrasives. You recently saw the video where I was working on those lumber stacking pallets. I used the hood and the behind the head earmuffs, worked great on that. Also have the face mask with the filter to knock out that grinding dust. Looking forward to using these. I've got some welding projects coming up here pretty soon, and I will use these grinding discs and cut off wheels when I start working on that. I'll tell you what I've got planned ahead. I have a small yard trailer that I need to weld the tongue jack back on. Need to do that. I need to do some welding on my sawmill. So we'll have to do some grinding and welding on that. And then I've got a big project coming up where my 16-foot flatbed trailer, I need to remove the decking on that, put some more bracing down in underneath it because I've apparently hauled some heavy loads over the 21 years that I've owned it. And I've got a little bow in my cross members. So I need to straighten them out. I've got some additional cross members to weld in. And then if I get real ambitious, I might put some new fenders on it and might put a new coupler on it. I look forward to using these Benchmark abrasive products. I think they'll work out really well. And again, I thank the folks at Benchmark for sending them to me. If you're interested in purchasing any Benchmark products, check out the affiliate link in my description below. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe my channel. I'm trying to get it to grow. Thanks again for stopping by here on Haggett Hill and seeing what we're doing. And as always, God bless to you and your family.